unbolt this and this, and unbolt these ones to get the couplers free. Those are our new exhaust couplers. We can compare it with the old ones that was completely bent. So I'm pretty sure that the exhaust gas leaking was caused for this bend. We should be sure that it will be completely round when we fit the new couplers. If the pipe is not completely round, it can be leaking again. Now with the exhaust over the table, we will use some special tools and we will try to make it completely round. My first special tool is a Subaru Impreza con rod. We will insert the connecting rod on the pipe. Now we will close it. Now with a round hammer, we will begin to hit the pipe. We will hit the pipe and try to make it as round as possible. As you can see, the pipe is pretty round, so now it's perfect to fit it again with the new exhaust couplers.